Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the reply option on your Instagram. So first thing you want to do is open the Play Store right here, go to the search bar, search for Instagram, and then you have to update your Instagram if you don't have the latest version. As you can see right here, I just updated my Instagram so I can get the reply option. And after that you have to turn on the airplane mode on your phone like this. Go to the airplane mode and then enable it and disable it again, and then reopen Instagram, and the option must be there. If the option still not available yet, this means that it's not available in your country, so you have to wait. That's it guys for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end.